You searched how to buy shares of Delignit AG. Delignit AG is a German manufacturer of engineered wood and industrial composite components and is listed on Xetra under the ticker DLX.DE. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy DLX.DE, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search box and type 560.de to find Delignit AG. Confirm the exchange and company name to make sure you have located the correct listing. Open the Delignit AG asset page to review the company description and the live price chart. Check the business details and the DLX.DE ticker to confirm you are on the right security. Click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a limit order, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. For the eToro link and more resources, check the description below.